day. These drugs making my friends crazy. I'm laying it down, don't bring it around, cause I ain't nothing but drug free. It's happening more and more each day. These drugs making my friends crazy. I'm laying it down, don't bring it around, cause I ain't nothing but drug free.
I used to see my buddy for years looking all depressed. I guess that he was in some major tests. After class, we used to go and play some ball. He was fast and tall and he surpassed us all. But after a while I seen him playing less and less. He be looking more depressed and stressed at best. So one day after class, I took him aside. I said, tell me what's going on, man, are you alright? He said, I got some issues with my folks I can't resolve. No need to stress you out, bro, or get you involved. So I put it to him, have you started smoking weed? And the answer that he gave me really made me grieve. He said, yeah, once in a while when I need to mellow out, but I'll be alright, I'm not the one to worry about. Yo, we gotta get you help before you ruin yourself. You got greatness ahead, you ain't like everyone else. He said, I promise I'll be fine, and he gave me his hand. So I trusted him and hoped that he would soon understand. A couple months went by and he'd be well set.